How to be a Lalamove driver. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to be a Lalamove driver. First of all, open up the Lalamove site. Once you get into its site, scroll down and check out the process of Lalamove Drive. So the requirements to become a driver are: you should have the vehicle pictures of your vehicle and yourself. Then you should definitely have your professional driver's license and your valid NBI clearance. Also, the certificate of registration or CR at official receipt of vehicle registration. You should have the deed of sale, letter of authorization. They have described the types and model of the vehicles. You should have one of them. You can tap on any vehicle, read its specifications and match it to yours. You start the driver job only when you have the vehicle. So enter your number, city, select your vehicle type. Then tick the checkbox and click to get started as a driver. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.